Black Ink makes some really nice stuff, but they want nearly $80 for a computer mount that fits these bars, and I think that's ridiculous. I didn't want to pay that, so I made my own. I measured the distance between the mounting holes and the overall width. I then drew up a design in SolidWorks. I 3D printed a copy to check the fit, and I was pretty happy with it. Because this is a gravel bike, I wanted something a bit stronger. I found a scrap of 6061 aluminum, and I milled that down to the dimensions to match my design. The 3D printed mount I made, it fits perfectly, so I used it as a pattern and I scribed its shape. I milled the aluminum to match, then I rounded out the corners on the belt sander. The most critical hole is the one that acts as the swivel. It needs to be accurately lined and the right diameter. I used my drill press and I drilled it out to 4 millimeters to match the bolt. I finished the new mount by milling out a recess to countersink the mounting bolts, and I added a radius to clear the front of the bars. I like the look of the machined aluminum, but I'm concerned about corrosion, especially when I sweat on it, so I decided I'm going to paint it. I used Krylon textured black paint and I gave it 2 coats. I like this paint for bike parts because it resembles the factory finish. These round Wahoo adapters are readily available. I actually had one on hand that I took from another mount. If we look at the weight, my Wahoo mount weighs in at 27 grams. That includes the hardware. I don't think that's too bad given that the one that Black makes is 42 grams. I bolted the new mount to the handlebars using a pair of 5mm titanium bolts. I added a layer of felt between the two to kind of help prevent damage when it's tightened down. I'm really happy with how this turned out. The Wahoo fits it perfectly. The adjustment lets me align it where I want it, and I think it looks nice. Best of all, I had a lot of fun making it and I saved myself 80 bucks. If I make another 60, I'll have made back the cost of the tools I used to make it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, I'll see you later.